Hello, how are you? How are you all? Well, I hope you're well. And if you're a Revolut customer and need someone to pay you some payment, money, how do you do this? Well, there are several ways, so let's take a look. Okay, here we are in our Revolut app, and the simplest way, obviously if you have a Revolut account, is to click here where it says More, okay? And here you click on Details, the first option, because here it gives you your name and your bank account, and with the shift, you tell them, look, make a transfer to this account number, okay? As simple as that. Oh no, I don't know how to make transfers. I don't know what, I don't know how many. Okay, don't worry, because there are other ways. We go back here, and now we go where it says Payments, here in the middle option at the bottom, okay? We click there, and now all the transactions that have been made to me and that I have made will appear here. But if we click on that plus all the way at the top, okay? New payment will appear, okay? New payment means they have to pay me, right? They told me they don't know how to do transfers, so okay. I click here on this icon where a QR code appears, okay? This is supposed to be for you to scan, but if you click here on my code, cha-ching, here it is, my Revolut tag. And if you click here to share on link, or simply send them a photo of this QR code, if you click, okay? And send it to your contact, in this case, well, to myself. To test it, I send it. Even if it appears in English, if you have Revolut in Spanish, it will appear in Spanish. And it's as simple as them having to access that link. And once they access that link from the browser itself, it tells you how much are you going to send to Ander G, which in this case is me. So imagine €5, okay? And now he says to you, okay, then pay with your card. Pay with card, okay? Here we enter our card details, okay? We click continue, bus. And now it tells you, okay, now tell us who you are. So the other person knows who is paying them. Well, the double of Ander, okay? Like this. You also enter the email, which seems to be mandatory, and we click continue. And it tells you, okay, you are going to send to Ander G, paying with this card. A total of €5. The cost of the transfer will be 0. And you will pay €5. Do you agree? Well, yes. And you give €5. In this case, I'm going to pay myself to see if it gives me an error. I think it will give me an error. Send, yes. See, it gives me an error because I'm sending to myself from my account to my account, so it gives me an error. But that's how it would be done. This link is used so that someone can send you money without the other person being a Revolut customer and without using their bank account or making transfers, simply with their card. Well, that's all. Thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.